Please remain seated. The chairlift will resume moving momentarily.
Please remain seated. The chairlift will resume moving momentarily.
Please remain seated. The chairlift will resume moving momentarily.
Mount Gushmore. All of our slides, except
Please remain seated. The chairlift will resume moving momentarily.
to ride the chairlift. No bags or loose articles to carry on board. Once seated, ensure your ankle is smooth and stay clear of the scenic stream. Lower automatic.
Please remain
For a
seated.
safe
The
ride,
chairlift will resume moving momentarily.
not spring bound to chair. And remember, no drinking or smoking during the trip. Thanks. Keep us up.
Please remain seated. The chairlift will resume moving momentarily.
Manténganse sentados y vigilen a su lado. Se ruega impotenciar y hacerse botar la cinta. Asegúrense de sujetar cualquier presa de suelta y estén atentos a la barra de seguridad que bajará automáticamente. Gracias. Hi everybody. Chairlift will take you on a one-way trip to the top of Mount Gushmore. You'll find all of our slides and some of our rapids. To ride the chairlift, all passengers must meet the minimum height requirements. are allowed on board. Once seated, be sure to secure entrance clothing and stay clear of the seating restraint, which will lower automatically. For a safe ride, just remain seated during the trip. Watch your children and do not bounce or swing the chair. And please, no eating, drinking, or smoking on board. Bienvenidos. Para que todos tengan un viaje seguro, manténganse sentados y vigilen a sus niños. Se ruega no balancear ni hacer rebotar la silla. Asegúrense de sujetar cualquier prenda de vestir suelta y estén atentos a la barra de seguridad que bajará automáticamente. Gracias.
Welcome, riders. This chairlift will take you on a one-way trip to the top of Mount Gushmore, where you can reach all of our slides except runoff rafts. You must meet the minimum height requirements to ride the chairlift. No bags or loose articles to be carried on board. Once seated, be sure to secure loose clothing and stay clear of the seating restraint, which will lower automatically. For a safe ride, remain seated, watch your kids, do not sway or bounce your chair. And remember, no eating and drinking or smoking during the trip. See the summit.
Bienvenidos. Para que todos tengan un viaje seguro, manténganse sentados y vigilen a sus niños. Se ruega no balancear ni hacer rebotar la silla. Asegúrense de sujetar cualquier prenda de vestir suelta y estén atentos a la barra de seguridad que bajará automáticamente. Gracias.
Hi. One.
Okay, so the bag isn't allowed up, and the only way the